Guys, welcome to my channel.
Hi everybody, today I just want to share with you only a few steps to get video effect of a news anchor while broadcasting news in NUKEX. We open NUKEX and import the video clips, image, read, just from channel NUKEX video clips is to open. Just hit number 1. Yes. Okay. The first thing, we hit tab, choose Premat, just hit enter. The info panel, we just hit the auto computer. Now we choose the RGB to alpha channel. Okay. Just get match 2. Now we clean background noisy. We hit Control Shift just to choose. Hit here. Hold Control, click. Okay. Hold Control, click is here. Just one. Now we should clean the foreground. This one. Okay. Hold Control Shift. Just connect. Okay. Which just look. Here's background. We use the spill sponge. Just check the edge here. Hold Control here. It's perfect. Don't need to do too much. Okay. Now it's okay. Finish. But I want to do need more steps. For example, I want to adjust the foreground and the background separately. How to do like that? First, we should have a rotor. This time I want to use the Mocha Pro, so hit the tab. Mocha Pro is here. Launch Mocha. choose this tool. Maybe. Okay, just track. Now I go back to the NUKEX. Control V. Control C. We can get a color correct. We should pay attention to this mask, and here we have the mask too. So this mask, we should drag this mask to the load. Now you can see we just try. Okay. Just change the foreground in the subject. Okay. Control click the panel. I need warmer, and you can look at the face. There's a little green, so just change the hue a little here. Or just you can drag here. Little, not too much. Okay. Good. Need some more red. Okay. This is for the subject. Now, if I want to adjustment, adjust this background. How to do like that? We just hit C. We get the other color correct. And this one, how to get a copy. Okay. I just want need adjustment for the background, so choose the background, hit G. We add the other load grid here. Choose the back area. We just need more, and the white point. Choose a little white here, maybe, or here. Okay. Get some. Some color. Just want a little dark. Okay, it's okay. Now everything is done, so we can add load right. Just hit right. Okay. We output here, though doesn't matter. Just green screen output MOV save. Hit OK. We just wait a moment, and that is the video output. Okay.